I absolutely love it here. This is my place of peace, and it has been my project since the spring. So I am definitely excited about showing you all around. Before I get into the harvesting of my crop so far, if you want to call it a crop, I'm going to give you a tour of my garden of mine. Some things have begun to die off, some things are still striving and thriving, but we're going to go through it right now. In addition to that, I'm going to be harvesting today my kale, my arugula, and my bib lettuce, as well as my red lettuce. Let's get into it. The garden is coming along beautifully. Look at the watermelon, looking so beautiful. The vines are growing, and I can't wait to see the actual watermelon come out of the stems of the vine. And look at the cabbage. Woo! It's going to be coming along very soon. It takes for the watermelon and the cabbage 80 to 100 days. So we got a little ways to go, but that's okay. And in this same pot with the cabbage, as you can see where the head is going to come, the leaves are going to continue to wrap around. I also planted in this same pot my string beans, which looks a little overcrowded now. I may have to remove these and move them over to another pot, but I don't know. I want to make sure that they don't nothing happens to them. So here we are with the red and orange peppers. Look at the little small peppers coming out there. Oh yes, they're looking nice and beautiful. And also we have the sweet peppers coming up, and we have one that has already shown its beautifulness. Check it out right here. Wow, isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And look at the basil. I planted this recently out of the basil pot. And this is my mint that I planted along with my cucumbers. And if you look at the flowers, those are where the cucumbers are going to grow out of the vine. And here is the arugula and the kale. I had already harvested this and had forgot to do my tour prior. And so here we are with the grapevine that will soon be growing. It takes about 2 to 3 years to actually grow a grapevine. And now we have the celery, and the celery is really coming along really beautifully and filling in. You can see here I have the elderberry bush. This also is going to take a few years to actually produce berries, but it does have healing and medicinal properties to elderberries. And so I'm excited about those as well. And here's my Cherokee purple tomato vine, and it's looking healthy and beautiful. Starting to get little flowers on there, and those from the flowers you will note that that's where the actual tomato will sprout once those flowers are pollinated. They look so beautiful. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Yes, beautiful. And then we have with us the yellow banana peppers. They're growing really well, and I see the little sprouts coming out there also. And we have the green peppers. As you can see, they have the little sprouts there as well. And this is sweet basil. You should smell it. Oh my gosh, the aroma is beautiful. And as it continues to grow so tall, it's time to harvest on that as well, but not just yet, because in the same pot I do have my okra, and you can see as it begins to sprout as well. They are so pretty and beautiful. And now we're going to go ahead and get to the bib lettuce. It's growing so beautifully. We're going to also harvest this today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And then we're going to be also harvesting the red cabbage. And there it is there, the red cabbage. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I can't wait to show you the harvest on these. So let's go. I'm going to be harvesting my kale and my arugula as well as my lettuce. So
hello to all the sisters and brothers. Please take the time to listen to another episode of Queen's Alchemy, where she sets a healthy pattern. The African Queen, Noreen, comes to share wisdom and knowledge and do some plant potting. Planting seeds in the mind so we all can find a better way to a better day. This is Queen Noreen, spreading light is her gift. She was born for this, hence the name Noreen, but you can call her Queen. This is Queen's Alchemy, where we set healthy patterns. Is it a sign from up above, touching down, touching